Gonna jumpstart a Toyota Corolla. Stay to the end for the funny parts. That's gonna be good enough for now. I just twisted it so it's tight. I got other jobs I gotta do. Hang on a second. That was good. I checked it already. No. I do that all the time. As you can tell, it's like the third time I've done it here. Okay, go ahead and try it. Do it like you mean it. Okay, you got it. Leave it running.
Yeah, so we need to change the battery, right?
I can add some tablets and water. I can take these off, add water and some tablets. These are special tablets that regenerate the charging power of the fluid.
Oh, that would be great.
I charge $10 for that. Is it still great?
Well, I have no choice at this point. You know?
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, just leave it running though. Leave it running.
Yeah, leave it running.
So I'm going to do this and just leave it running as long as you can. The alternator is going to charge the battery. Let me look at something real quick.
Yeah.
I want to look at the dashboard. Let me look at the dashboard. Okay, you can get back in there if you want.
So she can drive it home when you're
Yeah.
done, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried to see if there was a red battery light on the dashboard.
Oh,
There's
I see.
not.
Oh.
If there was on the Toyota, if there's a red battery light on, it means your alternator is not charging for some reason. But it looks fine. Can you take the lid off that?
You giving me medicine?
Yeah, more or less. I've given your battery medicine. Yeah, do that one too. It just takes about 1 bottle of water for each side. This is a little bit low because it's taking the whole thing.
I got it. There's a trash over there.
You can throw it down there. It's good for the environment. No, it's not.
That's there.
Yeah. That side's kind of low. I think you're going to need a new battery eventually.
Yes.
But right now, I think this will take care of you probably for at least a few weeks, months, who knows. I've got batteries from 10 years ago that I do this to, and they keep working. Another customer, and that is the battery, let's see, what do I call it? Jumpstart Hustle. I don't know. Sounds good. It's gonna be a tight squeeze. Every time I see an old style battery that I can pop the lid off, I offer to add tablets that will regenerate the charging power and water, which is 2 bottles of water and aspirin. Aspirin, it does do that though.